Hey guys. Hey guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have my daughter here with me. Her name is Adriana and she is 3 years old. So if you're new on this channel, I locked her hair because it was a struggle doing her hair. So yeah, today I'll be retwisting her hair for the second time. And yeah guys, if you're interested to see how this goes, please keep on watching. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So without any further ado, I'm going to get right into it. So I washed, conditioned her hair, and her hair right now is damp, not necessarily wet. And you want to make sure you go in with damp hair and not wet hair. So I'm just going to start from the back. I'm just going to put these other parts in different sections. So you want to make sure you go with a rat tail comb to get the parts straight. So since I locked her hair, this is the second time I'm retwisting. I didn't film the first time because I felt like it was impromptu, so I didn't prepare. And yeah, today I decided to show you guys how I lock her hair. And it's been like 3 months since I last locked her hair. And I don't like locking her hair often because I feel like it makes her locks weak. So the reason why I'm doing this is just to make the locks smoother, and this is totally optional. If you don't like this method, you can always palm roll. And I didn't have gel at home at the time, so that is why I just decided to clip it off. You can totally use gel and you're going to have the same result, so it is not a must that you use scissors. So I section her hair like section by section, just as I did when I locked her hair, and you just make sure the lines are as neat as you can be. I don't emphasize too much on the neatness because I don't want it to hurt. So you see, so I'll just put this away.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of...
stitching needle. Let's pull that through. And I'm using the 4-point method, and what that means simply means is you take it this way, this way, this way, and that way. The 4 angles simply makes the 4 points, and you never want to go into the same direction twice because it's just going to make a big fat hole in your locks. I'm just going to take it up like so. And if you want your locks to fall downwards, you always want to make sure the last one you pull, take it from under, as you can see. If not, if you take it this way, it's going to fall facing this way, and you want to make sure you take it from under like so. So I'm just going to show you one more time. So on my crochet hook, pull that through, close the hook, pull it through, and I'm just going to do that from different angles or different directions. You see what I meant when I said if you take from the other angle, look at now it is facing this way. So I want to go one more time from under. And you see now it is facing down.
So, do you guys face the same problems doing your kids' hair as me? Because, fam, I'm not even going to lie, it is always a struggle. I thought locking her hair was, I was going to escape doing her hair often, but man, it's like I just went from frying pan to fire. It is like a struggle. Oh, goodness. And at the same time, I don't like taking her to a salon because I feel like I can control the pain, and I wouldn't make it too tight because the people in the salon, they will not be as patient as I would be. Or yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section if you face the same problem doing your kids' hair. In fact, like, guys, let's just go off in the comment section. Let's relate in the comment section, because sometimes I feel like I'm the only one who goes through this. Oh, guys.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
So if you have watched up to this point, I really appreciate you, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let me know the type of content you like to see, or if you like to see my daughter more often on this channel.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So I'm finally done, guys, and this is how it looks. So please, guys, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.